Hi everyone, I'm Priyadarshini, a product manager with a leading product consulting company called Global Logic, a Hitachi Group company. Thank you, Institute of Product Leadership, for providing me this opportunity to walk you through my career transition journey. To begin with, my career started off as a software engineer way back in 2009. Then I had little experience and then I coped up to becoming a software engineer, mastered the key technologies like Java and AngularJS. Later on, a thought hit me that how do I become a product manager? Now, there was no way for me to become a product manager with developer background alone. But fortunately, I got an opportunity to work with a group of product owners at EMC. And then that led me to think about how do I go about solving customer problems to meet their demands. After a while, I came to know that the product managers that I was working with had one thing in common, and that was an MBA. Without much thought, I jumped into a conclusion and then just enrolled to 1 year executive certification program with a premier institute in Bangalore. And what went wrong with it is I was not able to get the specificity of product management and its roles and the responsibilities. Later on, I got introduced to Institute of Product Leadership from one of my classmates from the Premier Institute that I had already had a certification in. I approached IPL half-heartedly and threw them with plethora of questions regarding all the doubts I had with respect to product management learnings. IPL did not stop there but introduced me to attend a session on mid-career transition. That turned out to be as an eye-opener because it had the industry experts and the top-notch professors teaching each and everyone. This blew my mind. Later on, they also introduced me to a 2-day weekend class which was like a trial run class for me. And this also made sure that all my doubts are clarified to a larger extent. Thus, IPL had successfully persuaded me in enrolling for executive management program in product leadership and product management. All the cohort as well as IPL faculty, including Pinkesh, Sai Satish and Karti, helped me use certain tools and framework in understanding product management, and it did not stop there. They helped me crack interviews by providing mock interviews as well. I got help from drafting resumes until playing a devil's advocate so that I can crack my interview well. And within 8 months into program, I had transitioned to a new role of business analyst at VMware. So, how did IPL help me to achieve my dream role of product manager? It influenced me and introduced me to experiential learning, role plays, group assignments, individual assignments, skelettons, hackathons, and as well as product incubation labs. Within no time, I was transitioning into a product manager. That is, by the end of my course at IPL, I was transitioning to a new role as a product manager in a product consulting company, that is Global Logic, which is where I'm working right now. Today, I'm a shared brain across larger teams in my organization, empowering them make better decisions and come to a customer solving solutions. During this process of understanding customer needs and solving problems, I was introduced to design thinking, which made sure that I brainstorm all my thought process and come to a conclusion on solving the customer problem. So me being an artist helped me understand that we have to give attention to details in any aspect of life and as well as have a bird eyes view in solving a problem. There are a lot of unsolved customer problems in the market, and that requires product managers to step up and solve those problems. If you are aspiring to solve these problems, then today is the time to learn more about it and make a difference. Thank you, IPL and its cohort, for fueling my career aspirations.